Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys I'm going to show you how you can solve the yellow triangle or no internet access problem. As you might have been tried the previous videos but it didn't work for you. If you have Windows 10 then you might or Windows 8 then you might consider this solution. So you will have to go to your search tab and you type settings and you click on it. And from the settings we will go to network and internet. And from here we will scroll down and we'll go to network reset. When you click network reset, all the passwords stored in your computer, I'm talking about network things. So any password of Wi-Fi, any password of a router, all of it will be deleted. And your network settings on your computer will be resetted, and this might solve your problem as it works for me. It worked for me before. So we will click on it. It will take 5 minutes and then your computer will be restarted and then the problem should be solved. You will have to look for your Wi-Fi name and log on it again using your password and then it should be fine. So for now, I will just click network reset and here you will click reset now. So it says exactly this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking component back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So if you are using virtual switches or VPN, then it might be also deleted. So I would suggest to you to read this carefully before clicking reset now. So for now, I will just click for reset. It will ask you if you are sure you want to do that. I will just click yes. And then a message will pop up saying that your computer will be restarted after 5 minutes. So it will say you are about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. You can just click close and that's it. You will have to wait 5 minutes. Your computer will be restarted and then you will have to reconnect again to your Wi-Fi using your password and then it should be fine. I hope this video tutorial was useful to you guys. If you still need help or assistance with this problem, please check next video or leave us a comment to help you. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon in a new